I'm Nathan.
I'm Rodney.
I forgot my name. I'm Brendan.
That's Trent, if you all don't know. And we're doing the rainforest.
You can find the tropical rainforest in Central America, Africa, into Malaysia, which is there. And then the temperature in the rainforest is between 68 and 93. It's Climax. It's wet. Its humidity is between 77 and 88. It rains more than 100 inches a year. It covers 6% of the earth. And then the tropical rainforest produces 40% of the Earth's oxygen.
There are 4 very distinctive layers of trees in a tropical rainforest. The first one is the immigrant. Where'd he come from? Oh, sorry. My mistake, not immigrant, but the emergent. These trees are 100 to 200 feet tall with umbrella-shaped canopies. The second one is the upper canopy. This, it has trees 60 to 130 feet tall. Most of the rainforest animals live in the upper canopy. The next layer is the understory, also known as the lower canopy. This consists of 60-foot tall trees. This layer has little air movement, and as a result, there is a very high humidity. And then the last one is the forest floor, which receives so little light that only few bushes or herbs can grow here. Less than 1% of the sunlight that strikes the top of the forest penetrates to the forest floor.
Many species of animal life can be found in the rainforest, like birds, apes, reptiles, and amphibians. Insects make up the largest group. They include butterflies, mosquitoes, camouflage, bug insects, and huge colonies of ants.
Over 2,500 species of vines grow in the rainforest. About 1/4 of all medicines come from the rainforest. Curry comes from a vine used as a anesthesia during surgery. Quinine comes from the Kanochi tree. Okay, rosy periwinkle is used as a treatment for people who have lymphocytic leukemia. There are over 1,400 varieties of plants, of tropical plants, that are potentially used to cure cancer.
Doc, I think I got cancer. You got a shot that can help prevent it?
Yes, I do.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. Oh my gosh, it worked. You're a miracle worker. You got a shot for my head.